Alright, today, sitting here, got the Traxxas Slash 4x4 VXL, couple batteries, little LiPo charger. Crack this thing open for y'all. The true unboxing. I ain't even see it yet. We still ripping the whole plastic off. I haven't had one of these since I was probably in my 20s. Yeah, I asked, I'm still in my 20s. Little instructions, a little bit of tools. It's not going to stay like this for long. You also got a nice little LiPo, two 500 mile 50C. We had to get a connector, adapter, and all that good shit. But about to have some fun. So we was digging through the bags, excuse me, and we found out that they actually included a high-speed gear. That's cool. Got the rest of my body pins in here somewhere, and this one. But give me a second. Next time y'all see it, it'll be put together, charged up, ready to go. Alright, we back. Got a fully charged battery installed. You know, first turn on. Remote control on first. Always turn the controller on first. Good. See it coming. We gonna let her rip, Tater Chip. Alright, here we are, part 2. Got another unboxing. Got a second Slash to the bunch. Just as bad as me. I was doing the same. Yeah, just ripping it off, throwing it everywhere.
How many batteries is this?
4. I actually might have 4 more for you. You gotta give me 4 back. I'm being selfish.
That's all she wrote.
Gotta pull those pins out.
Yeah, okay. Cause I was just about to start pulling.
I know, I started doing the same thing yesterday. By the way, this is day number 2. We ran out of time yesterday, so it's the whole nother day. But you get not 1, but 2 slashes to go out and get your first test run. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I actually ran mine already last night, but it was too dark to film. But once we start this one back up again, we're gonna have 2 slashes outside going out there. We're gonna let them rip tater tip. Alright, we back. Fully charged. Batteries ready to go.